All right, everyone, it's finally time for a renovation update. So everything is done. You've seen the final product of the basement suite, the original one that was there that got redone for my grandparents. We're in the laundry room right now. It looks the same because nothing's, have been done in the laundry room, but we're going to go into the garage, the new little small garage. And as you can see, compared to what we had before, everything's got a shelf. Everything is nice and organized. Everything has a place. Unlike that hoarder situation we had before, we got these nice little stackable boxes just to fill that space there. And then over here, we got my grandfather's little builder station that he likes to have. And yeah, it's way cleaner. I'm going to go to the corner so you can kind of see. It's way, way, way cleaner. Everything has a spot. It looks way better than everything piled up and it being gross. So now let's head into the actual little suite that they built in half of the garage. So we got the doggy door. We got a little entrance mat. We got a nice little door. And here we go. All right. As you can see, it looks lived in because people are living in here now, which is awesome. We have some blinds on the window. We got the light working. There's the bed, which has a lot of storage underneath. There's the little closet station because it is a small space. They got little, what do you call those? Little dresser things. It's a little stands to put alarm clock, to put whatever you want. One on each side. We'll check the bathroom out in a sec, but first we're going to look at their little living area. So we got a lamp, we got a mounted TV. They still haven't unpacked everything in here, but you know what? They're pretty close. They only got one box to go. They got a little fridge, a nice little sectional couch situation going there. Walter loves that. He loves coming in here, loves jumping from here and then onto the bed. It's his favorite thing to do. There's this little toy box. And we'll come over here and we'll take a little tour of the little cooking station that they got. Now, this thing's pretty cool. So essentially it's a toaster. It's a coffee maker / water boiling thing. And you can, sorry about that. And you can cook whatever you want up here. You can fry eggs, you can fry bacon. It's a beautiful little cooking station for somebody that has a small space. We found it on Amazon. It was actually pretty good price-wise, and it works great. All right, let's head into the bathroom now because that's finally done. Now we'll turn the light on in here. They've got a mirror on the door just so you can kind of see yourself, fully. And it's the best way to have a mirror without taking up too much space. I'm just opening the door a little bit more just so we can see the floor. I love the flooring. The tiling is beautiful in my opinion. A nice little toilet that has 2 different flushes so you can save some water. There's the light, and then this is a little medicine cabinet. You can store whatever you need there. A cute little sink. I threw that tile in myself just to, help the water from not hitting the wall. It'll save your wall, you know what I mean? You can store stuff under the sink, and then we'll come around here to this beautiful little shower. Now I love their shower. It's actually really nice. They've used it a bunch of times now. They say it's great. It's nice and big, fits 2 people, and it's just beautiful. It's way better than what they had before, which was an old outdated thing. And yeah, this space has really been transformed. It's literally like a cute little apartment. I love it. Here's something cool about this coffee table. You can lift it up. Give me a sec here. There you go. It's for small spaces. So if you don't have a dinner table, you can lift that up. There's some more storage underneath. They haven't utilized that yet, but at least they have a cool spot to have their dinner, to have their breakfast. And yeah, a lot of things in here had small space in mind. They're not fully finished with furnishing it. They still a couple pieces they want. There's a little shelf they're going to throw in the bathroom. I think they're going to put like a storage shelf for food and stuff, like a little cabinet somewhere over there on that wall. And yeah, beautiful little space. Anyway, before I let you guys go, I'll be doing some more renovation videos in the future because now that we're done the downstairs, we're going to wait a little bit. We're going to pay off some loans and then we're going to tackle the upstairs. We cleaned out the upstairs completely, and I'll do a little tour of our upstairs of me and my wife's space, and you guys can kind of see what it looks like. Um, it's basically a clean slate. So we're getting some students. We're gonna have the students live there, use the money to pay off the renos. Once that's done, maybe in about a year and a half, we're gonna start on some renos upstairs. And me and my wife are super excited. We got some great plans for that space or all those spaces. First things first, though, upstairs we got to get that master bedroom up to snuff because it's outdated, especially the bathroom in there. And we want a nice bathroom. And I think a lot of you will probably agree on that. The nice bathroom is needed. But yeah, thanks for watching all these videos if you have been with us throughout this journey, and expect a lot more.